guys, good morning from Dzuko Valley. We have a light layer of ice on the grass, you can see. It's almost everywhere. People are waiting for the sunrise, and that's the floating clouds up ahead in the valley.
That is Manipur.
So we are standing on Nagaland side, and now we are on Manipur side. So this is Manipur and that is Nagaland. Oh, what a trek.
We are in Manipur.
So finally we have finished Dzuko Valley trek. The time is 1:45 in the afternoon. It was a beautiful trek, and I must recommend to all of you guys, those who are visiting Nagaland. It's a beautiful trek. It is like 7 kilometers and you have to stay overnight. It was damn cold in the night. As you have seen, there was a layer of little snow on the grass and the benches. Tents के ऊपर भी था. So we'll be going down, and I'll be just taking my bags and everything, and most probably I'll be staying in Kohima tonight. Tomorrow on my way towards Mon. Final moments before we end the trek. Dzuko Valley trip ends.